Welcome to this video guys. Let's see how we can hide files and folders on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, let's go to any folder where you have files or folders that you want to hide. So let's say we want to hide this and this video and this folder, okay? We need to select all these three things. So what you can do is press and hold Control and click on the files or folders that you want to hide. So I've selected these three things. Now I can release the Control button and right click on any of these files now. Click on Show More Options. If you are on Windows 10, you will already see this, not Show More Options. Now click on Properties. And here, check this hidden button. Now if I check this and click on Apply, now you can select, do you want to hide all the folders and files inside the folder too, or just want to hide this folder? So I'll choose to hide everything inside this folder too, so that whenever I go inside this folder, all the files will be hidden too. So click on OK and click on OK again. So as you can see, the hidden files and folders are now gone. But to see these things, what you can do is click on View here, click on Show, and then click on Hidden Items, and they will be now shown. So as you can see, the hidden files and folders are shown, and they are a bit darker in color. So after you see this or use this, you can again click on View, go to Show, and click on Hidden Items again, and they will be hidden again. So this is how you can hide and unhide files on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.